that I can feel the tumors growing on my back.
I don't know what to do.
What's wrong with you? Have I taught you nothing?
Dad.
No son of mine is gonna sit in here and hide from Kevin. Yeah, my house.
Psych! That's the wrong.